Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, my today's video is very helpful and very useful for you because in this video I am sharing very easy to make hand embroidery patterns of denim, pants and jeans. Yes friends, all of these embroidery patterns are very easy to make, but yet they will make your jeans look highly classy, trendy, stylish, unique and up to date, and a very highly paid designer style look will be created by spending a very focused and attentive amount of time to make these embroidery patterns. All of these embroidery patterns are very easy to make. Only 2 to 3 hand embroidery patterns are required. Even you can make these embroidery patterns onto your denim shorts for creating a perfect beachy look, summer look, to give your summer wardrobe a very decent and elegant touch. But before going further into the details of this video, I have a very simple request to you that if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my content for the very first time, then friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you would remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And one more thing friends, please kindly make a habit of massively sharing my videos with your friends and family, so that not only you but your friends and family could also get a very creative and beautiful and stylish ideas by sitting at their home without concerning any fashion designer. So now let's move back towards our design ideas. Yes friends, we were talking about the denim embroidery patterns. Friends, all you need is only three things, that is embroidery needle, embroidery frame and an embroidery thread. Then only three prerequisites are required, then you can begin embroidery pattern. But friends, all of these patterns are very beautiful and easy to make, and they could be used in a variety of ways for a purpose of reasons and for a number of multi dimensions. That is, you can use them for a variety of ways, like use them onto your shirts, onto your sweaters, denims, cardigans, jackets, handmade, hand knitted woolen stuff, your baby girl dresses, jackets, maxis, gown, frock, neckline, side borders, motifs, sleeve designs, trouser designing, scarves, stalls, dupatta, saris, blouse, kurti, and much more. Wherever you want to use, they had a broader perspective of use in the sense of fashion designing. So, this was all that I wanted to share with you about these very beautifully designed embroidery patterns, and hope to see you soon back on my channel in my new videos. And stay tuned, stay connected. I will do my best to share some beautiful and amazing ideas with you. Up till then, take care of yourselves. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching my content.